Hey, how's it going everyone? Here's how to move files from Google Drive to OneDrive. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go over to a website called mover.io. Just go ahead and click this one right here. And from here, you're going to go ahead and log in. So just click this. And then we're going to go ahead and sign in with Microsoft. So let's go ahead and do that one real quick. And then I'm going to click next. I'm going to go ahead and enter my password here. And then I'm just going to accept this one. Okay, and then from this point forward, we're just going to go ahead and select a source. So go ahead and click this, and then we're going to go ahead and choose Google Drive. And yep, click got it. All right, Google Drive, authorize this one right here. And then I'm just going to use another email, say for example. Okay, so this email right here, I'm just going to go ahead and basically authorize this one. Okay, so we have Google Drive here. Now let's go ahead and authorize this one as well for our OneDrive. So I'm going to go ahead and authorize this one and then go ahead and click authorize once again. All right, I'm going to go ahead and sign in using my personal Microsoft account. And then I'm going to enter my password real. And there you go. So as you can see, we have already connected our Google Drive. We also have our OneDrive here. Now, say for example, I'm just going to go ahead and try this one right here, this file. I'm going to go ahead and try to copy it into my OneDrive. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start Copy right here. Okay, new transfer created. So you can see it is running. And then we're just going to go ahead and wait for this one to be done. Alright, so seems like it is already a success, so we can go ahead and close this one and let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so after refreshing, you can see that the files that we have here from our Google Drive is now here in our OneDrive. So as you can see, this one right here, we have the stock footages and all of these three down here. And that is how you're going to move files from Google Drive to OneDrive for free.